Welcome to another quick culinary adventure, where we bring the best recipes straight to your kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of hummus, a creamy, tasty delight that you can whip up in just 10 minutes. Stick around and you'll be a hummus pro in no time. Making hummus at home is a breeze, especially when you have all the right ingredients at your disposal. First off, canned chickpeas are the star of the show, offering a smooth, creamy base. Then we have tahini, a sesame seed paste, adding a nutty undertone. Freshly squeezed lemon juice brings a tangy zing, while garlic adds a spicy kick. Quality olive oil blends it all together, creating a rich, velvety texture. Finally, your preferred seasonings such as salt, cumin, and paprika. Tailor it to your taste. With these ingredients, you're already halfway to creating your delicious hummus. Now comes the fun part, combining all these wonderful flavors into a single, irresistible mix. With our trusty food processor at the ready, we introduce the chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and a touch of olive oil. As the ingredients whirl and twirl, a transformation takes place. From individual components, we witness the birth of something entirely new, a fusion of flavors, a dance of textures, a symphony of taste. And just like that, your hummus is coming to life. The secret to perfect hummus lies in the blending and seasoning. Now let's unleash the magic of your food processor. Blend until your mixture is smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, don't hesitate to add a little water to achieve your desired consistency. Now the fun part, seasoning. A dash of salt, a sprinkle of cumin, maybe a hint of paprika. It's all up to your taste buds. There you have it, creamy, flavorful hummus in the comfort of your own kitchen. So there you have it, homemade hummus in just 10 minutes. It's that simple. Remember, this nutritious dip is versatile, cost-effective, and customizable. Enjoy it with veggies or bread, in a wrap, or as a garnish. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to share your hummus creations with us. Until next time, happy cooking.